Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to get my 1958 Sears Vespa up and running. It's been sitting for quite some time and it's a beautiful day out, so let's get into it. Get some of this junk out of the way. This is what happens when you don't have enough room and you got bikes in the way. You start putting stuff on them. So here it is, Patina 58 Vespa. So the backstory behind this is my uncle found it at a garage sale, and he was gonna get it going because he liked the patina and stuff. And then, long story short, I ended up with it. It was basically in pieces when I got it, and I basically did a ground up, not restoration, but got everything back into working function. Kept it original. I like the patina on it. New tires on it. So basically just everything to just get it up and running, reliable, safe. Did the brakes on it. So it's a good rider. It's old, so it's kind of hard to start. Let's see if we can get it started up. So the engine's located right under this right fender. And to open it up, there's this little latch right here. You pull out and you twist. That pops loose and then this lifts up. Here's the engine. I believe it's the original one. We think it might have got rebuilt at one time, but we're not sure about that. Here's the transmission down here. Each one of those grooves is a different gear. It's a 3-speed, so there's a little roller right there, and when you move the gears to select one, it just pulls this and it shifts it like that. That's what these two cables are down here. Got the carburetor right here. I rebuilt that a long time ago. Let's check to see if it's got any gas in it. This is kind of fun. Goes like that, slides down, pop that open. Got some fuel in it. So this was the gear selector I was talking about. So it's a 3-speed. So when those two lines are lined up, that's neutral. Pull in the clutch, and then you kind of have to have the back wheel moving to shift it, but you just rotate it like that. That selects the gears. Okay, let's get this little cover off right here. Put a little gas down the carb and see if we can get it to fire up. Okay, there it is. Forgot to show you guys that the choke is actually right here. If you pull this up, you can see it closes off the carburetor and chokes it. So that's pretty cool. Let's give it a little bit of gas. It's way too much, but that's okay. Okay, let's see if it'll start up. Here we go, first start in about a year probably. Gonna give it some choke. Wow, started first kick, that's crazy. But it was only running off the gas that we put in it. Give it a little bit more. It's gonna take a second to get warmed up. Well, that started up a lot easier than I thought it would. Usually it just takes a bit of time for the gas to start flowing down in it. But it's running smooth. So I'm just gonna let this heat up for a little bit. Then we can take it out for a spin. Okay, I just wanted to go over a couple details of this that make it really cool. You got this cool rack. You can see this sticker, original sticker, that's pretty cool. You got this neat little helmet or grocery bag holder right there. Cool little side compartment. You know, it's neat how they made it a 3-speed, where you kind of gotta do it with your hand. The choke's pretty cool, how it's under the seat. And then I like the fenders, how it's got that nice kind of wave to it. Same with these back ones, like that bubble. So yeah, I just wanted to point those things out. I think those are some cool features on it that make the bike so unique. Okay, enough talking. Let's get this thing out on the road and take it for a spin. Okay, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos are gonna be coming out soon. Until the next one, see you guys.